I'm a travel enthusiast. I remember when I first started traveling, I used to carry a big camera, a tripod, an extension rod, and a bunch of other equipment because I wanted to record all the beautiful moments of the journey. And that was so exhausting. And now I only need to take my smartphone and iSteady Q, and that's all for my travel video equipment. iSteady Q has a great built-in 360-degree brushless motor, which can help me to take a fantastic rotating video. Just put the phone into the phone clamp, turn on iSteady Q, and ready to start now. Launch Hohem Joy app, connect the Bluetooth. Indicator light, stay on. I really like to take inception video. Usually, I would like to choose the empty road, beachside, or other similar scenes. Press the function button 3 times, and it will rotate automatically by 300 degrees. That's it for rotating video. In addition to rotating automatically, it can also anti-shake. See its performance of stabilization. If you just want to simply take a selfie, you can lock the motor, extend the stick, take a photo of yourself, with friends and more, anytime, anywhere. iSteady Q has a very smart design on its arm, which is a bevel rotation structure. Just rotate the phone clamp along the rotary joint of the arm about 90 degrees to horizontal. Put the phone into the phone clamp and press function button 3 times. It can rotate 300 degrees automatically and make a panoramic shot. You can also take out the remote control from the holder, adjust the shooting angle remotely, and start a photo shoot. Turn on iSteady Q. Turn on remote control. Single press the shutter button. Take photo or video. Double press, switch the photo and video mode. Triple press, switch the front and rear cameras. Long press left or right, navigation button. Control the rotation and stabilizing stick. Long press up and down, navigation button. Zoom in or out. Single press, switch the landscape and portrait modes. Double press, recenter the gimbal. Triple press, auto rotation. Single press, lock mode. Green light stays on. When the handle rotates along the motor shaft, the phone does not follow the motor to rotate. Double press, POV follow mode. Green light, single flashing. When the handle rotates along the motor shaft, the phone does not follow the motor to rotate slowly. Hohem Joy is an app exclusively for iSteady Q, and it provides you many interesting features. Start recording. Select the face tracking icon, and it can recognize your face and track your movements wherever you go. It can understand your command. Show a V shape to start the tracking. Honestly, it just feels like it's my own photographer. If you really don't know how to start taking a video, then open the moment mode. Here are some video templates for you. Just need 1 click to start the recording. Motion time lapse. Choose the panning angle range. Choose your favorable recording duration and click start. Let's have a look at this amazing creation. Dolly zoom. When the camera is pulled away, set the point A as a minimum and point B as a maximum. When the camera is pushed forward, set the point A as a maximum and point B as a minimum. how easy it is to make a video by just one click. This is iSteady Q.